Sungeon Beauty Science and Aston Chemicals have collaborated to present WaterDropSil. WaterDropSil is an emulsifier that creates light water-in-silicone emulsions. As the emulsion is rubbed on the skin, the formulation releases water droplets to impart a light, fresh skin feel. WaterDropSil is a water-in-silicone emulsifier that can be used to make quick breaking creams with a water drop effect. It can be used in cold processes and low shear processes for easy formulating. Formulations created using WaterDropSil can be stable at high temperature and are also cost effective due to being able to use a high water content. WaterDropSil emulsions can be modified to give a variety of effects, for example changing the bulk colour in the green tea drop cream, or adding titanium dioxide into the water phase so that the emulsion releases milky white droplets. Or creating water-in-silicone BB creams with a water drop effect. Here is a really simple, cost-effective formulation which only uses 5 ingredients. As with most water and silicone emulsions, the water phase should be slowly added to the silicone phase. In this example, we made 100 grams of emulsion using a 250 milliliter beaker with an initial stirring speed of 200 RPM. As more water was added, the stirring speed was gradually increased to help incorporate the water. Stirring the mixture too quickly can reduce the water drop effect. At the end of the experiment, we stirred the formulation for 30 seconds at 800 RPM to create stable emulsion. As demonstrated in this video, it is easy to make emulsions with WaterDropSil. Request your sample of WaterDropSil today. Thanks for watching.